Our Student Research Experience Scheme gives undergraduate and master's students exciting, hands-on research experience. As a University of Brighton student, you can apply for these paid internships and contribute to real research projects, expertly guided by our academic staff or postgraduate researchers.
I was really lucky enough that when I was coming through my undergrad, I had a mentor that's now my supervisor for the PhD, and he showed me how interesting research was. When the opportunity arose for me, I actually felt it was a really good idea to try and take people who are clearly keen in science but need a little bit of guidance.
The sort of skills I've picked up, I would say, is a lot of lab-based stuff, but also just independence and trying to figure stuff out by myself.
The real benefit that this gives the students is experience in what it's like to be engaged in research and to see what the day-to-day life of a PhD student really is. So they can make a more informed decision about whether they want to continue a career in research.
It's really helped me build up my skills to put on my CV. I've really enjoyed this experience, and it's made me think more about pursuing a more research-related career. I would encourage other students to take part because not only are you gaining valuable work experience, but you're also getting paid.
I think students really learn, especially in the projects that I run at the moment that are quite interesting, it will never go to plan, and actually that ability to adapt and come up with some creative ideas are really skills that employers are looking for.
I think the most enjoyable part for me was just seeing what Jim and Matt had come up with. I mean, the first day they were showing me all the stuff that they were planning. It was fascinating, honestly.
For us, we get some extra skills. To have this kind of collaboration with a really enthusiastic student has been great for us, and it's also been really positive for the student.
It's just been amazing, honestly. So I think just go for it, because it's a learning process.
I would say to other students to definitely go for this opportunity because the application is really easy and it's really fun, and it's a great paid way to develop some more skills.
Projects cover a range of discipline areas, take place between May and July each year, and are an excellent way to boost your transferable skills and to learn more about the fascinating world of research.